Hi and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to use Power Query tool to combine all data that are present in your Excel workbook. For example, you have different sheets that are named Data 2021, 22 and 23 accordingly, and you would like to combine all these data into one worksheet. How to do this? For making this, you have to use a Power Query tool. So let's give a name to our tables at first. For this, we have to select any cell of our table. After that, go to Table Design and here give a name to our table. This table has a name Data 2022. I will copy it and I'm going to rename the other tables. Here I will type Data 2022 and here I will make Data 2023. Okay, perfect. This is important because while you are going to combine tables using Power Query tool, this Power Query tool will be related to these names of the table. So these are going to be, in our case, the names of the table are matched with the name of our worksheet. So let's get started. For combining this data, at first you have to go to Data tab. After that, choose here Get Data from other sources and choose here Blank Query. Let's click on it. We have received such window. Up here we have to type from where we have to select this data from Excel Current Workbook and press Enter. Now we have received three tables that we have in our workbook. We have tables named Data 2021, 22 and 23. Now we want to combine it. For this, we have to click on Name. After that, click on Text Filters and here we should choose the table that contains all data that are started with data and such symbol and click OK. Now we have to go to this double arrow and undo this check mark. Use original column name as prefix. We will undo this and click OK. Now Power Query has presented for us such preview of our table, where we can see that the last column of this table is named with Data 2022. If we scroll it down, we can see we have Data 2021, 22, 23, so it has added a new column that is named exactly as our tables were named. So if we need to change some format, we can see the date of joining we have in such not good format. We have date and time appeared up here, so we need to change this format. So for doing this, we have to select the whole column where our date of joining is present. After that, go to Transform tab. Here we have to choose Date and choose Date Only. And now we have only our date. If we need to transform our name column to the first place, then we have to select this column and drag the name of the column to the required place. We need it on the first place. So let's move it to the first column and release it. Perfect. What else we need to change up here? If I can see that we have H column in the required format, date of joining, it's okay. Annual salary, probably I would like to change the format up here and add some currency. For this, again, I have to select the whole column. After that, right click on your button where the header of the column is, and here you should choose change type and here choose currency, for example. Now you have combined data from all of your worksheets, and now we need it to be transferred to an Excel. For doing this, you have to go to File, press up here Close and Load to. Here you have to choose Table and New Worksheet and click OK. Good! Now all data are presented in our new worksheet with all required data. Now we have all three sheets combined. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more efficient Excel content. Bye-bye!